simbol menteri rangba ke Jylla uba pe ya ketanat home uba Prestone tingsong hakasi thodieng ulaong ba kitu ki papersha ya ke jingpen sngo paidbah public hearing halor ke kharkhana Shri Simen ki bakla bat ulakin tu ye ki bakin wan shek jingyalang paidbah ban pin paw ke jing sngo khia jongki habakren shkinong tho khubor uba tingsong ulaong ba ke sorkar ke jupli la ya ke jingekren bat habadon kanu ke jingbom ya sngo thu jingmon ke sorkar ke juwat la ban pin be ya ke jingye Ula banjuru ba ka public hearing kadai ka binta ka bakongsan bantip ya ka jingmut jing perkhat jong ki paidbah la ki kirsha ni persha ya ka kharkhana Ula ongru ba ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board kadai ka bala batha kat kom ki kindon ban Pynlong ya ka ni ka public hearing Usimbut menteri rangba ula kintu yikinong persha bakin pindon kam ya ka ni ka rinsan paidbah ban kren halor ki jing smokhya ki bayadei bat kamaryang bat ka jingyo jingarab ha ka yo ka kot hindrei amban yakhi ha ki wei pat ki jaka Nalor kata uba tingsong ula kintai dru ya ki jingkno ba ka sorkar ka pinbor ya ka project banyak kman.
Okay, see what happened is we are always open for discussion. When there is any kind of misunderstanding, we are always there to resolve the issue. But now, those people who are against the public hearing, I think that is wrong. They made it wrong. When we say public hearing means what? To know the mind of the people, the stakeholders, whether you want to have cement factory or not. That is very clear. So if you are against it, go there. Because the provision of the rule, that regulation is very clear indicated that Pollution Control Board has to conduct the public hearing. So the public hearing will prove whether you are in favor or you are against it. Simple. So I would request again these agitators, please don't misunderstand. Please understand the stages of procedures and attend the public hearing, and you raise your concern over there in the public hearing. Because I'm not saying, see, when you say public hearing is what? Public hearing means to hear the grievances, the concerns of each and every stakeholders. So that is very important. Tinganga so ban ong hakabay bat kani Iakhih kini ki ba ong ba ngi persya ya public hearing ngamut ban ong hangne ba kata ka Jingmut jong phi ka babakla. Balei ba phim kwa ban yai ka public hearing. Naman ba ka public hearing hakane ka provision kalon ba. Nakaliang ka office jong ka pollution control board ka kwa ban tip ka ka concern ka ka jingsngau jong ki paidbah la kata ka proposal ban set up ia kata ka cement factory ka babyang na ka bambyang day na daw ba Pynlong kanang ka public hearing te ngangam skutu balei ki Pynlong panat dia kata ka protest DC office lene hakiwi ku ki jaka. Why not do it that? If you don't consent, please do it that. We are very transparent. What well skau ba kim dai bas skutu baklam na ba kaning inyong bor mengino komen. Kay kata king ngilek bor mengino komen. Kam don ai ngilek bor komen. La ngilek bor kamu ngimdon ni ka public hearing ko. Kan yai ba cakap. Den rai Mynta na kwa ban pensai ke darba. Ya kitu ki bamhun, ki bapsya. Skau ba. Ai Jingmut ya kane hak public hearing. Nak daw babu kanang ya public hearing lu. Kanang ban yok lut. Ya ki Jingmut ki jing perkhat bro. La phi ong ya ka environmental issue. Lene la phi ong ya ka economical issue. Di kita berkhot jide bandon hak kata public hearing. Thank you.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEM's bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEM's app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of home. This is STEM's, our ride, our future.